Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a kitchen appliance that's about to revolutionize your culinary journey, the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro. This remarkable device isn't just a blender or a juicer, it's a fusion of both, designed to unlock a world of flavors and possibilities. Join us as we explore why this Bluicer Pro is a game changer for anyone who loves fresh, vibrant creations. The Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is more than a kitchen gadget, it's your gateway to flavor paradise. With a generous 3.5 inches wide chute, cold spin technology, 5 one-touch programs, and 10 speed settings, this appliance empowers you to blend, juice, or combine both for endless culinary experiments. Whether you're craving fresh juice, silky smoothies, or creative cocktails, the Bluicer Pro has you covered. Gone are the days of complex blending processes. This Bluicer Pro simplifies your culinary adventures with 5 one-touch programs. Smoothie and green smoothie programs deliver silky, smooth textures. Pulse, ice crush turns ice into snow effortlessly. And the frozen cocktail program allows you to whip up refreshing drinks with ease. Plus, the auto clean function ensures a hassle-free cleanup after your culinary masterpiece. We understand the importance of countertop space, which is why the 3X Bluicer Pro features a brilliant space-saving design. It combines the functionality of a powerful blender with food processing tasks, all in one sleek package. With the pulp bin cleverly located behind the brushed stainless steel base, you can make the most of your kitchen's real estate. Achieve the freshest and healthiest results with the Bluicer Pro's cold spin technology. This innovative system allows juice to flow through the stainless steel cutting disc surrounded by an Italian-made mesh filter. The result? An insignificant temperature increase, less than 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your juices retain their essential nutrients, colors, and flavors. Say goodbye to tedious pre-cutting. The 3.5 inches feed chute lets you juice whole fruits and vegetables without hassle. Whether you're juicing directly into the included jug or using the juice nozzle attachment for mess-free juicing into your glass, the Bluicer Pro makes the process quick and convenient. With the Bluicer Pro, you'll receive a juicing jug, pulp jug, and cleaning brush to streamline your experience. The appliance boasts a 50 Oz jug and a 3.2-quart pulp bin to accommodate your culinary ambitions. And, backed by a 2-year limited product warranty, you can blend and juice with confidence. In conclusion, the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is a game-changing fusion of blending and juicing that brings more flavors, variety, and fun to your kitchen. It's the ultimate tool for creative cooks, health enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates the pure joy of fresh, vibrant creations. Ready to elevate your culinary game? Click the link below to bring home the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro and embark on a flavor-filled journey like never before. Say goodbye to culinary boundaries and hello to limitless possibilities.